How do I access the ith column of a NumPy multidimensional array?
To access column 0. To access row 0. This is covered in section 1.4, indexing, of the NumPy reference. This is quick, at least in my experience. It's certainly much quicker than accessing each element in a loop.
This command gives you a row vector. If you just want to loop over it, it's fine, but if you want to stack with some other array with dimension 3xn, you will have while gives you a column vector, so that you can do concatenate or stack operation. For example,
and if you want to access more than one column at a time, you could do.
You could also transpose and return a row.